Hi everyone, my name is RM Arish Pawan. I'm studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm going to explain you about OSI model. The outline of OSI model are introduction to OSI, OSI history, OSI layers. First, the OSI structures. In OSI network model, we have structure called application, presentation, sensors, transport, network and data link and physical. Introduction to OSI. The operating system interconnection reference model is an abstract description for layered communication and computer network protocol design. It divides network architecture into 7 layers, which from top to bottom are the application, presentation, sessions, transport, network, data link, and physical layers. It is therefore often referred to as the OSI 7 layers model. OSI history. In 1978, the International Standards Organization of ISO began to develop its OSI framework architecture. OSI has two major components, an abstract model of networking called the Basic Reference Model or 7 Layers Model, and a set specific protocols. OSI history. The concept of OSI of 7 layer model was provided by work of Charles Bachman, then Honeywell. The various aspects of OSI designs evolved from the experience with the Advanced Research Project Agency network and fledging internet. OSI layers are coming to host layers. There are data and segments. The data as application, presentation, and session. Application process to application. Net presentation is a data representation, inscription, and description. Session functions are in-host communication. Coming to segment, it has transport. The functions are end-to-end connection and reliability flow control. Coming to media layers have packet, frame, and bit. Coming to where packet layer is network. Functions are path determination and logical addressing. Coming to frame, data link function is physical addressing. Coming to layer 1, physical layer. The physical layer defines the electrical and physical specification for the device. In particular, it defines the relationship between a device and physical medium. This includes the layout of the pin, voltage, cable, specification, hubs, repeaters, network adapters, host, bus adapters, and more. Well, layer 2, data link layer. The data link layer provides the functional and procedural means of the transfer data between the network entities and to detect the possibly correct errors that may occur in the physical layer. Originally, this layer was intended for point-to-point and point-to multi-point media characteristics of wide area media in telephone system. The data link is divided into two sublayers by IEE. Layer 3, Network Layer. The network layer provides the functional and procedural means of transmitting variable length and data sequence from the source to destination via one or more networks, while maintaining the quality of the service requested by the transport layer. Layer 4, Transport Layer. Transport layer provides transparent transfer of data between users, providing reliable data transfer service to upper layer. Transport layer controls the reliability of the given link through the flow of control, segmentation, dissegmentation, and error control. Layer 4 transport layer features name and TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Connection oriented networks, connection networks, concatenation, representation error recovery, and retain connection. Multiplexing, demultiplexing over a single explicit flow of control. Retransmission of and timeout reliable transport service. Coming to layer 5, session layer. The session layer controls the dialogues between the computers. It establishes the manages and terminates the connections between the local and remote applications. It provides full duplex, off duplex, or simple operation and establishes the checking point, adjournment, termination, and restart procedural. Coming to layer 6, presentation layer. Presentation layer establishes a context between application layer entities in the which higher layer entities as long as presentation service understands the both and mapping between them. This layer provides the independence from the difference in data representation by translating from application to network format and vice versa. This layer transform this layer formats encrypted data be sent across a network, providing freedom from compatibility problem. It is sometimes called syntax layer. Coming to layer application layer. Application layer is a OSI layer closest to end user, which means the both OSI application layer and user interact directly with software application. Application layer function typically include identifying communication partners, determining source availability, synchronizing communication. The last and least, the OSI features. Open system standards over the world. Rigorously defined structure, hierarchical network model, complete description of the function, provides standard test procedures. Thank you.